In this video, you will learn how to install a Go device in Tesla Model 3 and Model Y electric vehicles. You will need the following from your SmartCharge installation package. Make a note of your Go device's serial number for future reference. To begin the installation, connect the Go device to the vehicle interface cable. The Tesla Diagnostics connector is located behind a removable panel in the center console. To easily access the connector, move both front seats forward. The removable panel is held in place by 5 push-fit clips. Slide the end of the trim remover tool under the panel. Turn it so that it catches the panel. Pull the tool towards you to loosen the bottom right clip. Loosen the top right clip and then the remaining 3 clips. Inside the panel, you will find the Tesla proprietary diagnostic connector. Press the clip down and pull to detach. Plug the vehicle interface cable into the corresponding connectors in the console. Push until they click into place. The connectors will only fit one way. Once the device is connected, you will hear 6 quick beeps. Then the device will blink red, green, and blue, and beep twice every minute. When the configuration is complete, the device will emit 10 quick beeps. Push the excess cables into the small opening at the bottom of the center console. Place the Go device on the floor of the vehicle while you put the panel back in place. Ensure all clips are fastened. Open the SPR install bag and attach the provided adhesive square to the back of the Go holder. Slide the Go device into the holder and secure with a cable tie. Using the adhesive, attach the Go holder to the outside of the removable panel. Place the device as high as you can without stretching the cable. The installation is now complete.